Hi everyone, it's James in Japan. It is March 20th, 2021. As you can see, I'm cooking pork chops. And these are fantastic pork chops. I had them last night. Actually, I baked pork chops, but right now I'm frying these. I have them tenderized in sparkling water, Japanese sparkling water, for an hour. And it separated the fibers from the pork. And then I marinate it with salt and pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and onions. And of course, oregano and parsley. Okay, and then I bake them. But this time I'm frying them. And look at them. I've already turned these two over. Wow. It is fantastic. Oh, I can promise you it is flavorful. Look at it. Look at this getting caramelized. And look at this coating. Nice. Nice. Anyway, this is my lunch. Look at it. Smells fantastic. Thanks for watching, guys. Oishiso.